Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? I just wanted to take a few minutes to record this quick screencast to set up the assignment for the course to come here. Well, after watching the video lecture from Hannah and after reading this article, I hope you have an idea of how the salutations work and their importance in your emails. You should also know from your rubric the different pieces that we will be grading, and the salutation is one of them. So, to begin, I want you to open up a blank email, and you can use Gmail or any other service that you prefer. It doesn't matter. But of course, open up a blank email like this. And in this blank email, of course, you see we've got our field for the recipients, the subject line, and the big blank space for the body of your email. So this is what we're going to be focused on here today. Now, of course, before you begin, you want to think about who your audience will be for this particular assignment, as mentioned in the rubric. So, is this going to be a colleague, a boss, a professor? Okay, think about a professional context for this. So, choose your audience and then choose the appropriate greeting and think about why you're choosing it. You've gotten a list of some greetings from this article here, as you can see. So some of these would be more appropriate for a colleague, some of these would be more appropriate for a boss, and so on. So why are you choosing some of these? Okay, so think about that and then fill it into the Gmail or whatever email that you're using body. So for this, I'm going to have it as Dear Mr. Johnson. Okay. Now, of course, that could be an instructor, that could be a boss, and so on. All right. But that's just one example. You think about what you want to choose. And of course, I hope you notice my font here is extra large. Yours should not be this big. This is just for the purpose of having it on this video so you can see it. As we continue through the lessons, you'll be filling in then the rest of this email. Okay, we'll show you ahead how you would be filling in this body section, what the valediction would be at the end, the subject line, and of course the recipient field. Okay, so I hope that helps, that quick video. Thank you for listening, and I'll be looking forward to your submissions coming up. Thank you. Good day.